The Farmina Team Breeder Power is formulated for high-energy and active dogs. This is a complete food that ensures that busy dogs have enough energy to take them through their tasks. Its protein is derived from chicken and includes 6% dehydrated fish, and is made to suit the needs of working or super active doggies. Features: suitable for high-energy, adult dogs. Please check with a vet before altering your pet's diet. Always have fresh water available for your pet. Check ingredients for possible allergens. HUFT Tip: your dog's diet needs to suit his or her lifestyle. So working dogs or those that have a very active lifestyle will need a diet with more calories. Check with your vet or a pet nutritionist to understand what the right diet for your pet. Composition: dehydrated chicken meat, 36%, rice, chicken fat, 15%, corn, dehydrated fish, 6%, dried beetroot pulp, 3%, corn gluten, linseed, 3%, whole dried eggs, 3%, fish oil, 3%, vegetable oil, 1%. Dried brewer's yeast, 0.4%, fructooligosaccharides, 0.4%, potassium chloride, 0.4%, sodium chloride, 0.3%, mono-dicalcium phosphate, 0.3%. Additives per kg, nutritional additives, vitamin A 12,000 IU, vitamin D3 1200 IU, vitamin E 120 mg, vitamin C 120 mg, niacin 30 mg, pantotenic acid 12 mg. Vitamin B2 6 mg, vitamin B6 4.8 mg, vitamin B1 3.6 mg, vitamin H 0.30 mg, folic acid 0.36 mg, vitamin B12 0.48 mg, choline chloride 2500 mg, zinc oxide 108 mg, zinc sulphate monohydrate 120 mg, manganese sulphate monohydrate 150 mg. Ferrous sulphate monohydrate 44 mg, ferrous carbonate 60 mg, copper sulphate pentahydrate 50 mg, calcium iodate anhydrous 2.4 mg, sodium selenite 0.22 mg, DL-Methionine 2000 mg. L-Carnitine 350 mg. Analytical Compounds, raw protein 32.00%, raw fats and oils 22.00%, raw fiber 1.60%, raw ashes 7.60%, calcium 1.20%, phosphorus 0.9%.